Finish First is thrilled to announce that it has teamed up with Nation Warranty Corporation to expand the Finish First vehicle appearance platform to include a world-class customer solution. For the first time, customers can professionally fix minor rock chips and scratches by using OEM paint that does not leave visible paint globs on the finish of their new car. And they can do this at the convenience of their home. Here is how amazingly simple Finish First process is to use. Clean the area. Apply Finish First special fast-drying paint that is matched to the vehicle's original factory paint color. Let it set for a couple of minutes. Then wipe off the excess paint with Finish First proprietary solution. Lightly hand buff any remaining haze with a microfiber cloth to leave a brilliant luster. Then step back and admire your work. It's simply magical. Finish First process is simple, fast, and remarkably effective. The repairs will last for years and withstand buffing and car washes. Additionally, Nation Warranty Corporation, who has been licensed, regulated, and insured for the past 30 years, now endorses and guarantees the Finish First chip and scratch repair process. This is an outstanding opportunity for you to add profit to every new car lease and sale. Participate in this incredible offer by visiting www.nationwarranty.com.